Hi, this is Dave from Housepro Plumbing. We're getting ready to start a YouTube channel for DIYers on minor plumbing repairs and some electrical repairs and anything that's around your house that may need repairing. We're going to do topics like what is the best toilet to buy for a replacement in your home? Which best faucet is the best out of all the brands? And we'll also be getting into minor electrical repairs, like changing GFIs or three-way switches or receptacles. And we'll do other topics around your home too, which would be yard care or gardening or anything like to do with anything around your house. They're just going to be minor things, not too in-depth or something that requires a licensed contractor to come in to do. Like changing a receptacle or a three-way switch or a single pole switch. A normal DIYer can accomplish this, but electrical panel boxes we won't be getting into, or anything that's structural where it takes a licensed contractor to do. We're just going to do regular home repairs, and I hope you join us in this new YouTube channel that I've started. We might go into topics like different cooking, anything to do with the home or being at home, or if you need anything to do with, we might even get into thrifting, who knows, and selling online, stuff like that. Different topics. So it's not going to be the same old thing on home maintenance. I mean, there's different aspects that you can have, when you're at home to do. It won't be the same old, like, typical YouTube handyman stuff like that. It's going to be more than just that. It'll be all kinds of topics, and you can email me and ask me different questions or different topics that we need to, that we can address together. It should be fun. In the next few weeks, I'm going to be doing some more videos. This is just a test video, just to put me out here on YouTube. I mean, it's one of my first videos, so it's not the best one, but I'm just starting to learn how to do this stuff, so bear with me, and better quality videos in the future. So thank you, and hit the subscribe button and ring the bell.